Welcome back to another home tour. I am in Owasso again. A lot of Owasso houses today, so if you're thinking of making a move, maybe it's a sign and you should live in Owasso. It's basically mini Tulsa. So this one is currently offered at $389,900. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's on 0.27 acres. You have this gorgeous 3-car garage here. Love the stack stone with the stucco. It's a good combo, and if you saw my other video, I am a fan of black mulch. I think it just has a nice, clean, modern look. Let's head on in. You got granite countertops and a whole bunch more goodies. Great floor plan. So right inside here, you've got your formal dining with the wainscoting. You have that crown molding and plantation shutters, which is great too. And you have a office area. It's pretty great. I like those double doors. Just cleaning up from a broker's open. We've got living room. Really nice fireplace with the built-ins on either side. Go ahead in here and check out that primary bedroom. Really good size. Moving through, you do have the high ceilings as well. I should point that out with the crown molding. Here is that bathroom. Dual vanities. Good size mirror. Got jets in the tub. Shower combo. Very popular floor plan. Good size closet. Toilet area. We'll head back across the living room. Or well, I'll show you the outside really quick. Really nice yard. Tons of space right here. You have your entertaining space right here. And look at that. Great for, family gathering, entertaining, whatever you're into. Really quick before we continue, if you're new here, my name is Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa community or great suburbs like Owasso, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. And on this channel, I share home tours like this, as well as local content and insights and real estate tips. So if you're into any of that, of course, like and subscribe. And with that, let's continue the home tour. Right, across the living room, here is your utility room. Really nice size. You have the granite counters in here with those cabinets. And then here is that 3-car garage. And we'll head down the hall and check out the other bedrooms. This is just a hall coat closet. Here's one of the bedrooms. Here's the other one. I'll show you the closet. Both of them have basically the same closet, but good size there. We'll head around. I believe this is another closet right there. And you have a full bath with the dual vanities. Really nice. And let's head upstairs. We'll check out the kitchen first. You got Shauna over here cleaning up. Shauna with Apex, if you need a great title company. She's focused. Great cabinets. And you got the island with the granite counters, gas range. And we'll head upstairs. Upstairs. Okay. Really great flex room. Could be a movie theater. It's like a game room / study right now. But either way, would be great. And this is going to be attic storage. If I can find the light switch. There you go. Nice, spacious. Could finish it out if you needed more square footage. Could make a secret room. Could be cool. Here is the upstairs bath. Really good size. And then you have a really massive room up here. So this could be almost a whole nother suite if you use this as the only bedroom. It has a full bath up here. So really awesome floor plan. Of course, let me know what you think about this house in the comments. Always like to know your feedback. And if you're thinking of making a move to Tulsa, of course, reach out to me anytime. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.